Hello, my friend. Here I am going to discuss with you people what is GATE exam, what is the pattern of GATE exam, what is the benefit of GATE exam, and who can give this exam. Means what is eligibility criteria of the GATE exam. Okay, this whole video is going to in the slide form. Every slide I will be discussing with you one by one. Then first slide is introduction. Here you can see my name is Gurveet Singh, BTech in Mechanical Engineering, GATE 2021 qualified, intern in Semi Foundation. What is Semi Foundation? Smart India Multi Management Institution. This is an institute which works for the social welfare like education, women empowerment, and environmental issues. Okay, the next slide is what is GATE exam. These four topics I will be discussing with you in further videos, like what is conducting bodies, eligibility criteria, exam pattern, and benefits. The conducting body of the GATE exam is IISc Bangalore, 7 IITs Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee. On the behalf of Coordination Board, GATE, Department of Higher Education, and Ministry of Education, Government of India. This exam is a national exam, as you can see from here. And the next slide is benefit of GATE exam. The benefit of GATE exam is just if you want to take admission in MTech, Master of Technology, ME Master in Engineering, in various programs in IITs, IISc, NIT, and other reputed Institute of Technology, Science and Management in India, or you can take admission in the foreign countries like Singapore and Germany also for the research programs. Okay. If you want to go for the PSU, public sector undertakings, ONGC, NTPC, IOCL, GAIL, BHEL, BPCL, HPCL, etc., then this exam is very beneficial for you. If anyone have desire to go in research institutes like ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, DRDO, BARC, etc., then he or she can give this exam. If you want to make your career in top MNCs like Tata Motors, TCS, Google, Cisco, Samsung, then you can give this exam. Okay. The main benefit of this exam is that the GATE scorecard is valid up to 3 years. You can use the scorecard of the GATE up to 3 years without any restriction. Okay, you can take admission in everywhere up to 3 years. The next slide is exam pattern. What is exam pattern? This exam is conducted once in a year in the month of February generally, and the exam mode is computer based test. This is an online exam, CBT exam, computer based test. Then how many number of questions will you ask in GATE exam? That is 65 of 100 marks. In that 30 questions will be for 1 mark and 35 questions for 2 marks. And the duration of the exam is 3 hours. And which subjects are asked in the GATE exam? That I have mentioned here: general aptitude, engineering mathematics, and core subject, whatever you have taken in your graduation and post graduation. The marks of general aptitude and engineering mathematics is allotted 28 marks, and 72 marks will be asked from your core subject. Which type of core subject? Like if you are pursuing your graduation in mechanical engineering, then you will be asking mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics. These are the branches. and this exam is conducted in 27 papers. What is the type of which type of questions are asked in the GATE exam, that I will be discussing with you here. There will be MCQ type, multiple choice, NAT numerical answer type, and MSQ multiple select questions. MCQ there will be 4 options and one option will be correct. What in NAT you have to fill the numeric value of the answer in the given option, and MSQ there will be 4 options and one or more than one answer may be correct. And what is the negative marking pattern for this exam? For the MCQ type question there is 1/3 negative marking, and for NAT there is only 0 negative marking. There is no negative marking for the NAT. And if we talk about the MSQ, if you correct the question partially then you will get no marks, and there will be no negative marking for the MSQ also. So only for the MCQ type questions there is negative marking of 1/3, and for NAT and MSQ type of question there is no negative marking. If we talk about the calculator, you don't have no need to go with the physical or scientific calculator. You will be provided a virtual calculator on the screen of the computer. Then you can calculate the answer on the virtual calculator. You should have to practice for it before the exam, otherwise you will not be able to run this calculator properly. Okay, because this in this exam I think lot of questions are numerical. There are very less number of questions coming from the theoretical, so you have to solve more numericals. There will be very less number of questions from the theoretical portion. And the next slide is eligibility criteria. Who can give this exam? As I have already mentioned, this is a national level exam, and just to check your understanding in your graduation and post graduation. If you are coming from the engineering, technology and architecture background, then you are eligible in your 3rd year and 4th year of graduation for this exam. If you are coming from art, commerce and science background, then only you will be eligible for this exam in your post graduation. This GATE exam is conducted in 27 subjects: civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, and there are a lot of subjects from the science and commerce and arts also. Only 3rd year and final year candidates will be eligible, which are coming from the engineering, technology and architecture background. Okay, this is the main thing you have to clear about it, that if you are only engineering graduate then only you can apply this exam for the in your 3rd year. Otherwise, if you are coming from art, commerce, science, then you will not be able to give this exam. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I am intern in Semi Foundation and helping for the students who actually are in need, and I will be coming with lot of videos like this, informative videos, and in the next videos I will be discussing with you engineering mathematics, because it is very important subject for the GATE exam. There are a lot of questions are asked. I have already told you 13 marks weightage is there. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubt or any query then you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching the video.